What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play We Think Too Much by Lil Peep. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, once you get done with the video, make sure you check the description below. I've left a free ebook there for you guys called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's just a little gift that I like to give to you guys for coming to the channel. It's great for all skill levels, so once you're done with the video, go get your free ebook, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is pretty easy, starting out in standard tuning, capo on your first fret. I don't want to say that this is 100% accurate just because the way that Lil Peep makes his songs, he takes samples and kind of messes with them, you know, they do their own thing to them and then they make the music over top of it. So it kind of changes things a little bit, warps things. I found that these chords do fit with the song, so they will work. The first chord is going to be your middle finger on your second fret on your D string and your ring finger on your second fret on your G string, and you can strum all the strings open. Your second chord is you're going to move those down 2 strings, so your middle finger's on your second fret on your A string and your ring finger's on your second fret on your D string, and then you're going to put your index finger on your first fret on your G string. Your second chord is going to be your index finger on your second fret on your A string, ring finger 4th fret, D string, pinky finger 4th fret, G string. So for your strumming, you will be playing your first chord twice as long as the second 2 chords, and your strumming pattern is a simple down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up throughout all the chords. So slowly it looks like this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Don't forget to grab your free ebook in the description below, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If there's any comments or questions or concerns or any songs that you guys want me to teach you, leave that in the comment section below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.